Using QuickBooks for Uber drivers is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, sign up for QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Self-Employed, depending on your business needs and budget. Then follow the prompts to set up your account, including entering your business information and connecting your bank accounts and credit cards. Next, create income and expense categories in QuickBooks that align with your Uber business activities, such as Uber earnings, vehicle expenses, fuel costs, insurance, maintenance, and tolls. Categorize your transactions accurately to track your income and expenses separately and make tax reporting easier. Record your Uber earnings in QuickBooks each time you receive a payment from Uber. You can do this manually by entering income transactions or automate the process by connecting your Uber account to QuickBooks if supported. Track your business expenses related to your Uber driving, including fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, tolls, phone bills, and any other relevant expenses. Enter your expenses into QuickBooks and categorize them appropriately to track your business costs and maximize deductions at tax time. Use QuickBooks or a mileage tracking app integrated with QuickBooks to track your business mileage accurately. This includes mileage driven while picking up passengers, driving to destinations, and returning home after trips. Record your mileage in QuickBooks or sync it automatically if using a mileage tracking app. Generate reports in QuickBooks to review your business finances, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and expense reports. Analyze your financial reports regularly to monitor your income, expenses, and profitability as an Uber driver. Use QuickBooks to prepare for tax reporting by tracking your income, expenses, and mileage throughout the year. Review your tax obligations as a self-employed individual and consult with a tax advisor or accountant if needed to ensure compliance with tax laws and maximize deductions. Keep your QuickBooks account organized by regularly reconciling your transactions, updating your records, and staying on top of your finances. Store and organize your receipts, invoices, and other financial documents for easy reference and tax preparation.